The story of our 1977 Holden HX 1-tonner. Eugene had owned it since 2002 and he purchased it from his employer at Brains Garage at Coonabarabran, who had received it as a trade-in. They were actually the Ford dealer, but still they had this little Holden. It was the NRMA road service vehicle at Brains Garage in Coonabarabran. Bluey Chambers drove it for work at Brains Garage until the garage was sold in 2013. It had a new gearbox installed at 306,233.9 kilometres. I actually found a photo of it online, not the gearbox but the ute, parked out the front of Brains Garage when the agents had the garage advertised for sale in 2013, which is about the time that the Aussie Kombi Hunter, Sam Hutchins, purchased the tonner from Eugene Chambers, or Bluey, on November 29th, 2019, and it had 321,233 kilometres on it. Sam had loaded it up on his trailer and put it up on his Instagram page and had sold it before he even got home to Tom Barrett from Tenterfield. Tom had it until the 21st of March 2020, which is when we bought it, but he had another restoration vehicle that he had that he needed to do up, but couldn't afford it unless he sold the tonner to pay for or finance his other restoration. That was lucky for us. So when we bought it from Tom, it had 326,148 kilometres on the clock. So we started our restoration and the tonner was practically stripped bare and many parts replaced after Glenn stripped back, repaired, filled the dents. We sent the body away to be resprayed, the original chamois colour. The motor was rebuilt, which took over 9 months. Because of COVID, parts like the camshaft were difficult to get. Glenn also stripped, treated and painted the chassis and bull bar. We put new deep dish rims and new tyres on her. The seat was also reupholstered, and Glenn also stripped the wooden tray sides and lacquered the timber and painted all the metal the same chamois colour as the body. There's also a lot of other stuff that Glenn did, and with my help too. I was his trades assistant at his beck and call. Get me this, get me that, while he's underneath it. So there's really a lot of things that he did to it, and it's been it's over 18 months of work that he's put into it, and it's just come up so well, and Glenn's done such a good job. It's been a lot of hard work and quite a bit of money, of course, but now we have a beautiful 1-ton ute that is probably pretty different to a lot of vehicles that you see, only because it's close to original. I say close because of the wheel rims, but she's just absolutely fantastic and we love driving it around. Anyway, that's the story of our HX 1-tonner. So from Glenn and Deb, cheers.
did it.
Yeah. How's that feel, Glennie?
Yeah, great. Feels good, sounds good.
Wonderful.